Hi guys, today's video we're going to check out the 5 best biological microscopes on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. OSEELANG OSL0231 Biological Microscope. The OSEELANG OSL0231 Biological Microscope is a versatile tool for both educational and laboratory settings. It offers a wide magnification range of 40x to 2000x, allowing for detailed observation of biological specimens. The microscope is built from durable metal, providing a stable viewing platform and comfortable monocular draw tube for extended use. Despite its sophisticated features, the OSEELANG OSL0231 is portable and easy to handle, making it suitable for fieldwork and classroom environments. Its high-definition optics and wide magnification range cater to various scientific investigations, from basic experiments to complex biological research. The microscope is certified with C standards, ensuring safety and quality regulations. Its high-definition optics provide detailed observation and accurate analysis of specimens. The compact and sturdy design makes it suitable for various educational and research settings. The OSEELANG OSL0231 is ideal for student educational science, offering a hands-on learning experience with clear visual feedback. Number 4. XMSJ Biological Microscope. The XMSJ Biological Microscope is a high-quality biological microscope with a magnification power of 500x to 1500x, making it ideal for a wide range of biological studies. Its optical capabilities provide clarity and detail for thorough examination, making it suitable for both professional researchers and students. The microscope is designed with safety in mind, being free from high-concern chemicals, ensuring a safer working environment for users. Originating from the US, the XMSJ Biological Microscope reflects a commitment to high manufacturing standards and quality control, resulting in durability and long-term performance. The XMSJ brand is known for producing reliable and high-performing scientific equipment, ensuring innovation and user satisfaction, making it a reliable choice for research needs. The XMSJ brand's commitment to innovation and user satisfaction makes it a reliable choice for researchers. Number 3. Elikliv Biological Microscope. The Elikliv Biological Microscope is a high-performance biological microscope that offers powerful magnification and portable convenience. Its magnification ratio ranges from 1500x to 3000x, allowing for the observation of even the most minute details. The monocular draw tube provides a user-friendly viewing experience, making it ideal for educational and research purposes. The microscope is built from robust metal, ensuring durability and stability. Made in mainland China, the EDM11's model represents the brand's commitment to delivering reliable microscopy solutions. The microscope can integrate with digital technologies, allowing for connection to various video recording and imaging systems. The microscope's portability is a standout feature, making it easy to handle and use in fieldwork or mobility-sensitive scenarios. Its high-definition imaging capabilities ensure sharp and detailed observations, and its handheld design enhances its usability. Number 2. ZJMZYM Biological Microscope. The ZJMZYM Biological Microscope FC4640 is a high-performance biological microscope with impressive magnification power of 30,000x, making it ideal for advanced research and precise analysis. It features a binocular draw tube for comfort and a range of wide-angle eyepieces in 10x, 50x, and 6x magnification, along with objective lenses of 4x, 6x, 10x, and 100x. The microscope also has a user-friendly adjustment range of 55 to 75 mm, making it suitable for shared equipment in educational or laboratory settings. The 5-inch screen display offers easy visualization and recording of observations. The microscope operates on a voltage range of 110 to 240 V and comes with a mobile caliper for precise specimen measurements. Made in mainland China, the microscope is built to high standards, ensuring durability and reliability. This high-quality microscope is is a reliable tool for scientific endeavors. Number 1. MUOU Biological Microscope. The MUOU Biological Microscope is a versatile and high-performing microscope that offers an impressive magnification range of 40x to 4000x, allowing for detailed observation of specimens. Its monocular draw tube provides a user-friendly viewing experience, making it ideal for students and beginners. The microscope's high-definition optics deliver clear, sharp images, enhancing study and research in biological laboratories and classrooms. It is also portable and digital, allowing easy transport between locations and the ability to capture and store digital images. The microscope is built from robust metal, ensuring stability and reliability in various environments. It comes with CE certification, ensuring its compliance with high safety and quality standards. The MUOU Biological Microscope is ideal for educational and laboratory use, providing a practical, high-quality experience for users at all levels. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.